Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. On Alto Sax. We'll dive right into learning the iconic main theme, breaking it down into manageable steps. You'll discover the key notes and essential techniques needed to bring this classic video game music to life on your instrument. Get ready to transform your alto saxophone into a portal to the Mushroom Kingdom, making music that everyone recognizes and loves. Let's get started. Let's begin with the core melody. The Super Mario Bros. Theme largely revolves around a few key notes, G, C, E, and a higher G. Start with the famous opening phrase, often played as a quick E, C, then G. Pay close attention to your fingerings to ensure each note is clear and vibrant. Practice these initial phrases slowly, aiming for precise pitch and a bright, engaging tone. This foundation is crucial for capturing the theme's joyful essence. To truly capture the Mario sound, articulation is key. Many notes in the theme should be played staccato, meaning short and detached, giving it that signature bouncy feel. Imagine the sound of Mario jumping. Aim for a consistent tempo, perhaps around 120 beats per minute, to maintain the game's energetic pace. Precise rhythm and clear articulation will make your performance instantly recognizable and incredibly fun to listen to. Now let's talk about effective practice. Break the Super Mario Bros. Theme into smaller 2 to 4 measure sections. Master each part before connecting them. Always use a metronome to develop rock-solid timing and consistency, gradually increasing the tempo. Most importantly, listen to the original game theme repeatedly to internalize its unique style and feel. With dedicated practice, you'll be playing this beloved tune confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.